Now in Postman we can set and get variables in different levels or scope. We can do them in the collection level. So here under this test and the script we can create our variables, and also we can do it under any request. We can use the script or test to get or set variable. Now let's see how we can set variables. So for this you have to write pm stands for Postman, and then we can create global variables. So we have to write pm.variables.set, and then it takes two parameters. First one is the key and the second one is the value. So we can pass the key as x and the value can be like global. So now if we save and run this, so here basically we have created one variable called x with the value global. So because this is one global variable, so it will be visible under the global variable. So you can see we have the variable x with the value global. So we can create a variable at the collection level. So we have to write pm.collectionVariables.set. So here also we can create one variable x with the value collection. So now if we save and run this, so here we have created one variable x at the collection level. So to see the variable we have to go to the collection, and here under the variables, so you can see we have the variable x with the value collection, and also we can create a variable at the environment level. So currently we are not under any environment, so first of all we have to create one environment. So we have to click add, and let's just call this env1, and then choose the environment from the drop down. Let's just create one variable at the environment level. So we have to write postman.environment.set. so the variable is x and the value can be environment, and let's just save this and run this. So you can see under this environment we have the variable x with the value environment. Similarly also we can create local variables. So for this you have to write pm.variables.set. so the variable is x and the value is local. So we have to save and run again. So you can see everything is working fine. So we have successfully created all of these variables at different levels. So let's now see how we can get the value of these variables at different levels. So to get the global variable we have to write pm.globals.get, and we have to pass the name of the variable like x, and because this will return the value of this global variable x, now we can console log directly to the console. So we can write console log, and if we save and run this, so now you can see under this console we have the output as global. And also to get the variable from the collection level we have to write pm.collectionVariable.get and then the name of the variable. Similarly also we can access the environment variable. So we have to write pm.environment.get and then the variable name. And also to access the local variable we have to write pm.variables.get and we have to pass the name of the variable. And also we can use this same command to access variable at any scope based on their priority. So first of all local variables have the highest priority, then the environment variables that are located here, and then the collection variables that are located under the collection. At last we have the priority for the global variables. And also we can remove or unset variables. So for this we have to write pm dot, so suppose we wanted to remove the global variable, so we have to write pm.globals.unset, and here we have to pass the name of the variable. And if we save and run, so you can see under this global there is no variables left because we have removed the variable x from the global scope. So this is the way we can set and get variables in Postman. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.